Hello everyone, this is your favorite maths teacher A. Mani Sharma, and in this video we shall go through question number 15 of exercise 6.5. And let me tell you children, this is one of the most important questions you have in this chapter. This particular question has been asked in the board many a times. So please pay attention towards this question and solve it. See, let's see what is the question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that AD square is equal to 7AB square. Now children, see here, I have shown this equilateral triangle ABC here. ABC is an equilateral triangle and it has been said that D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. So to make our work easy, let us say that AB is equal to X. Now if AB is equal to X, then you know ABC is an equilateral triangle, so AC will also be equal to X and BC will also be equal to X. But since D is a point such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC, we can say that BD is equal to X by 3. Now whatever is left, that is CD. So how much will be your CD? CD will be equal to 2X by 3. Okay, CD will be equal to 2X by 3. Now let us see how we can go forward and solve this particular question. Now children, let us see the solution. Here see, let us make a construction. What construction will you do? Construction. Our construction here will be draw altitude AE on side BC. Okay. First let us draw an altitude. Okay. Now see children, I have drawn an altitude AE. So you can say that this is 90 degree. Okay. Now children, if you remember, this is an equilateral triangle and AE is the altitude. So in an equilateral triangle, altitude is also its median. So since BC is equal to X, then this CE part will be equal to how much? This will be equal to X by 2. Don't get confused here. This completely CD was equal to your 2X by 3. Okay. And so here CE is X by 2 and again this part is also equal to X by 2. Okay. Now till here we have done. Now let us try to find out how much is our AE. How much is our AE? Now if you apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get AE square equal to AC square minus CE square, isn't it? Because angle E is equal to 90 degree. This is by Pythagoras theorem. So what you can get here, see AE square will be equal to, you know, AC square is your X square, and what is your CE square? See children, here CE square is equal to X by 2 whole square, isn't it? See, CE is your X by 2, so minus X by 2 whole square. So let us see what we are going to get. You will get X square minus X square by 4. So this will be 3X square by 4, isn't it? It will be 3X square by 4. So ultimately your AE will be equal to, I am writing here, AE equal to root 3 by 2x. Okay, we have got this much as root 3 by 2x. Now children, see what we have got. Here we have got AE height equal to root 3 by 2x. Now see here children, you know BC is X, okay, you know BD is X by 3, okay, and you also know CD is equal to 2X by 3 and CE is equal to X by 2. So using this, can you find out DE? DE will be equal to how much? CD minus CE. Look here, CD minus CE. So see here, DE will be equal to CD minus CE. And look into the figure. Your CD is 2x by 3 we have calculated. So this is 2x by 3 minus your CE is x by 2 because AE is your median also. So CE is half of BC and so it will be equal to x by 2. So now see what we are going to get, 6. So 4x minus 3x. So here it is equal to x by 6. So your DE is equal to x by 6. Now let us write the value of DE. See here. Here we are getting x by 6. DE is equal to x by 6. Now look at, because see children, we need AD. So I am reaching here. Now you know DE, you know AE, and now you can find out AD square by Pythagoras theorem. Now let us apply Pythagoras theorem on triangle AED. Now in triangle AED we have AE square plus DE square equal to AD square. Now what is your AE? Root 3 by 2x. So root 3 by 2x whole square plus what is your DE? Just now we have calculated x by 6. So x by 6 whole square will give you AD square. Okay. Now see, root 3 by 2x whole square means you will get 3 by 4 x square. Plus here it will be x square by 6 6 are 36 equal to AD square. Now you find out LCM here. You will get 36. So here what we will get? 27x square plus x square. Okay. So that will be 28x square equal to AD square. Now children see here it will become 20. Here you can what you can do, you can just cancel. Here you can get 4 7s are 28 and here 4 9s are 36. Now see here 7x square by 9 is equal to AD square. Now from here what you can write, 7x square equal to 9 AD square. Now tell me children, what is your x? X is the side of an equilateral triangle. You can write anything, either you can write AB for x or AC for x or BC for x. Here we need to prove that 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So here our x will be AB square equal to 9 AD square. Hence proved.